sum of first n terms of an AP. How do we find the sum of the first n terms of an AP is what we are looking at. There are two formulas that we can use to find the sum of given terms of an AP. The first formula is here and the second formula is here. In the second formula, we are using the last term L. So where L is the last term. These two formulas are identically the same. They are identically the same. So whether you use the first or the second, you get the same answers. So choose the one that you are okay with and then always use it. The question can never be specific on which one to use. But what I'm going to do is, in the first 5 examples, I will be using method 1. And then in the second 5 numbers, I will be using method 2. Therefore, under finding the sum of the first n terms of an AP, we shall look at a total of 5 examples using the 2 identical formulas, just for practice. Otherwise, let us start off with example 1. Example 1, an arithmetic progression has the first term 4 and common difference 3. Find the sum of the first 10 terms. So the formula that I have opted to use is the sum of first n terms equals to n out of 2 into, let me adjust my pen, into 2a plus n minus 1 d, like that. So what we need to do is just to identify n, a, and d. So you come back to the question. We are given the first term as 4. So our a is 4. And we are given a common difference d as 3. And finally, the question is asking for the first 10 terms. So what is the number of terms we are dealing with? We are dealing with 10 terms. So our n becomes 10 in that manner. Therefore, our task is simply to substitute in the formula. So we shall have the sum of the first 10 terms S10 equals to n. N is the number of terms, which is 10, over 2 of the formula into 2 times a. 2 times a is 4, plus n, our n is 10, minus 1, times d, our d is 3. Like that. It is always good for you to keep brackets such that you avoid errors. Then we simplify. 5 divided by 10 divided by 2 is 5, into 2 times 4, we have 8, plus 9 times 3, because 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 times 3, we get 27. So say here plus 27. Therefore, shall have 5 into, press your calculator, 27 plus 8, around 35. This is 35. And then 35 times 5, 175. So the sum of the first 10 terms of this AP, defined by the first term 4 and a common difference 3, is 175. That is the answer for example 1. So you just say, therefore, the sum of the first 10 terms equals to 175. So this is the answer, and these materials are provided by Vision Plus, and your tutor for this class is right there. Thank you.